First, we'll open the trunk. There's that clip that we will take out. I'm using a clip remover tool to take that clip outwards. Now we will pull down the cover to the point where we have access to the plugs and the nuts behind. We'll take out the first plug right there, press and hold the tab of the plug and then pull the plug outwards. First plug is out. Similar way we'll take out the second plug. Again we press and hold the tab of the plug and then pull the plug outwards. With both the plugs taken out, now we will take out 3 nuts right there. I'll be using a 10mm wrench like this to take all 3 nuts out. I will loose the nut first with the tool, and once the nut is loose, then I will just take it out manually like that. This way it makes the process much faster. First nut is out. Similar way we'll take out the second nut on top. Second nut is also out. We'll take out the third nut which is right besides. Loose the nut with the tool first, then just take it out with your fingers. All 3 nuts are taken out. Also make sure to take this wiring out, otherwise it will get stuck while taking out the tail light. We will be putting this back at the very end. Now we will grab the tail light from outside and then slightly push it outwards. Just like that, the tail light is taken out. That is how we take out the tail light, and behind the tail light are the plugs for the bulbs. We'll take out the brake light plug first. Grab the plug and then turn it counterclockwise. Then pull the plug outwards. There's the plug along with the bulb pulled out. Now we grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. Just like that, the bulb is taken out. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, it does not matter if it's this way or the other. We'll punch in the bulb in the plug and then push it to a point until we hear a clicking sound. Bulb is in. Now we will put back the plug where we took it out from. Just make sure the surrounding of the plug have some sort of shapes. Make sure those shapes are matching with the spot of the tail light right there. We'll go ahead and punch in the plug. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. Here it is, that plug is completely in. Jumping onto the turn signal plug, grab the plug and then turn it counterclockwise, then pull the plug outwards. Now we grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. Just like that, the bulb is taken out. In my case, again, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, it does not matter if it's this way or the other. We punch in the bulb inside the plug and then push it to a point until we hear a clicking sound. Bulb is in. Now we will go ahead and punch in the plug. Again, we make sure the surrounding of the plug matches with the surrounding of the tail light. We punch in the plug, make sure it's completely in. Only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There we got both the bulbs replaced. Now we will go ahead and punch in the tail light back. Before installing the tail light back, notice there's that position right there that has to be slided in that bracket right there. Then notice these 3 pointers that were holding on 3 nuts earlier, they have to be placed into these 3 holes right there. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the tail light, keeping in mind those positions. We gently slide in the tail light, making sure it's completely in. Once the tail light is completely in, then we will go behind to punch in the nuts back. Also make sure to put back that wiring we took out earlier. One by one we will punch in all the nuts, making sure they are in all the way till the very end. Then we will bring the tool to tighten them properly. All 3 nuts are tight. Now we will go ahead and punch in the plugs. There's the first plug right there. And there we got the second plug in place as well. Now we will put back the cover to the point where it was before. And then punch in that clip where we took it out from. With the clip in place, with that, we are done with the replacement of taillight bulbs. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.